Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Having trouble linking your debit or credit card to PayPal? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through easy steps to fix those errors and get your card connected in 2025. First of all, always use the PayPal website on your browser instead of the mobile app. The app has limited functionality and often causes linking errors. Make sure your card is from a supported networks like Visa, Mastercard, American Express, or Discover. Cards from other networks won't link successfully. Check with your bank that your card is activated for online and international transactions. You can usually confirm this via your bank's app or website. When linking, enter the exact billing address you used when applying for your card. Even small differences can cause the processes to fail. If you have tried all this and still can't link your card, contact PayPal support directly. Note that support isn't always available through the app, so use the website or phone. Follow these steps and your card should link without a hitch. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.